are pursuing a goal forged with craftsmanship to create extraordinary architecture. We uphold it, commitment, solidifying with quality, a foundation of excellence. We are drawing a blueprint, elevating made in China to reach the world. We are committed to becoming a world-class green building material and prefabricated construction solution integrated service provider. We are Zhongjing Haizhu. Beijing Zhongjing Haizhu Technology Company Limited is affiliated with a Haidian district-owned level supervisory enterprise, Beijing Haikai Holding Group Company, Ltd. As a complementary business within the real estate sector, we engage in green building materials. The group always upholds its corporate mission, creating excellence for architecture, positioned as a leader in high-end green building materials and a practitioner of industrialized interiors, leading the new era of green building. Zhongjing Haizhu focuses on green inorganic building materials and prefabricated building interiors. Industrialization are two core business segments. Within the green inorganic building materials segment, we adhere to the Zhongjing Building Materials and Sobin Green dual brand operation strategy, covering numerous national, provincial, and municipal key projects. The prefabricated building interior industrialization segment began in 2019 and has since possessed solution design, material R&D, production, supply chain integrated, construction and delivery, a multi-dimensional, one-stop comprehensive solution, service capabilities, helping to drive disruptive transformation in construction methods. Zhongjing Building Materials brand's crystal board not only offer the advantages of traditional silicon, calcium silicate boards A-level non-combustibility, mold resistance, and corrosion resistance, but also feature lighter weight, greater stability, and smoother surfaces, among other advantages, bringing a new material upgrade to the building decoration industry. The coating series and gorgeous board products not only meet the architectural industry's demands for aesthetics, while also considering environmental benefits. Our 3D printed, customized products offer more for spatial design options. The Sobin Green brand fireproof board uses inorganic materials like calcium silicate as its binding material with added special fire-resistant pulp, formed through pulping and steam pressing, offering good physical properties and excellent fire resistance, with no toxic smoke when burned. The Sobin Green Tycom composite wall panels, with their lighter, thinner, and superior product advantages, are highly favored by high-end star-rated hotels and public building projects. Building houses like cars is the core proposition of Zhongjing Haizhu's industrialized interior system. The 7 major prefabricated system factory prefabricated components can greatly improve construction efficiency, enabling efficient on-site installation, effectively reducing overall construction costs. It is the best practice for the national dual carbon strategy. The group has a strategic layout of 3 major production bases nationwide, based in North China, East China, and South China, with production lines. Among them, the Tianjin Binhai production base covers an area of 180,000 square meters, including 2 substrate production lines, with an annual output of 9.5 million square meters, and 2 coating board production lines, with an annual output of 4 million square meters. The Jiangsu Jiangyin production base covers an area of 530,000 square meters, including 2 substrate production lines, with an annual output of 9 million square meters, and 1 digital printing board production line, with an annual output of 3 million square meters. The Guangdong Kaiping production base covers an area of 100,000 square meters, including 3 substrate and fireproof board production lines, with an annual output of 6.5 million square meters, and 1 composite partition wall production line, with an annual output of 500,000 square meters. The group's products have participated in and served the Hangzhou G20 Summit, China Zoom, the Beijing Winter Olympics, and major domestic key projects like ZN Expo Garden. Meanwhile, business has expanded into East Asia, Southeast Asia, North America, Europe, and Africa. The group has successively been awarded honors such as High-Tech Enterprise and Gazelle Enterprise titles, and its R&D center was selected for Tianjin's Belt and Road Joint Laboratory Directory. Zhongjing Haizhu Group closely follows the trends of industrialization, greening, and digitalization, leading the transformation of construction methods, helping to achieve the dual carbon goals. Zhongjing Haizhu, creating excellence for architecture.